How should I start my video? Hey guys, my name's Kalman and this is the Prusa Mark III and it just arrived today, DHL delivery. Let's unbox this. Let's start by reviewing this box. This box came in a black nylon, a sticky nylon, and you can see it says on it the original Prusa MK3 Kit. Alright, so we gotta get into this box over here. And let's see what's inside. Okay. It's got a nice pull tab over here to hold it. This opens up nicely. And we got a paper. I will take a picture of this and show everybody later. Congratulations on getting the brand new original Prusa i3 Mark III. It's very, very nice. I paid a lot of money for it. I ordered this printer on Black Friday, from Black Friday to Cyber Monday, where they were doing free shipping. And also I've asked them online for a 5% off, since I'm newlywed. I asked them for 5% off, and they were very nice and they gave me a 5% off. By the time I did purchase this though, my 5% off has expired, but I talked to their chat and they helped me with the problem. Alright, so next off we got some airbags. Put that down over there. We got some nice Prusa stickers. Let's put this down over here. We got their 3D printing handbook and the assembly instructions. This will come in handy. We got some Harvio dinos. If anybody wants this, they can comment it and I'll send it to them. And we have a little sheet which tells us about the parts in here. I'm not very sure what it is. Next off, we have over here some Y-axes with this box over here, right next to us. If we pull out from here, let me just give you guys a nice little look on the inside so that you can see what I'm talking about. Everything over here is packed pretty nicely. I would say I would compare this packing to IKEA furniture packing, where everything is just nice and tight and everything is in place. Right. So over here we have this. I'm guessing this is probably the frame, maybe the heat bed. We'll take a look at this later. Right. Now we have this over here. What is this over here? I will show all these things later. We have our power supply. Just put into the box like that. 3D printed parts on this power supply, you can see. Let's put this aside. And let's see what else we have. We have some more of this. Cable for a power supply, I'm guessing that's for. And if we're going over here, another box. Tons of boxes, this thing. Most of them don't have any writings on them. There's Prusa Research. I'm not sure what's in this box, but we will see. And we have the motor kit by Prusa. This is our motor kit over here. And last but not least, because all the parts in this printer are important, we have some, I have no idea what this is, probably rods. Let's put all this aside. Alright. Please like and, no. Hey guys, so that was the end of the unboxing. End of the unboxings of, hey guys, of the Prusa Mark III. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And please like and subscribe and leave your comments. Whoever writes the funniest comment on what I should print, I'll be sending them these gummy bears for free. Start commenting. boom, 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 bo